Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prioritizing legal, resilient sources of information and power. Store essential files offline and on paper. This preserves access without networks. Organize charging. Spare batteries and a small solar panel will sustain devices when power is intermittent. Contact and meeting plans with trusted neighbors and community centers ensure coordination. Once done, make sure to register for official emergency broadcast alerts if available, and keep a printed list of radio frequencies and local phone numbers to consult when online services disappear. Next, focus on sustainable, lawful communication paths that don't rely on the mainstream internet. Tune to public emergency broadcasts and local radio stations for verified updates. These are designed to operate under crisis. Work with recognized nonprofits or municipal centers to learn where aid and information will be posted. Establish an in-person messaging protocol, a fixed board, mutually agreed meeting times, and paper logbooks so that information flows without digital dependency. Make sure everyone understands the plan and their roles. Finalizing means routine rehearsal and maintenance. Test radio reception, replace batteries, and update cached documents on a regular schedule. If you encounter conflicting reports, prioritize official emergency broadcasts and established organizations. Avoid amplifying unverified claims. If you cannot resolve critical needs, escalate through formal channels such as municipal authorities, consular services, or trusted relief organizations that coordinate at scale. One troubleshooting tip: if your primary information source fails, switch to the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.